Hello guys, for today's video magluluto tayo ng upo. Ayan. At saka, ayan, may leftover na fish. So, kinunan ko siya ng mga maliliit na tinik. Ayan. So, leftover namin yan kagabi. At saka, meron akong onion and garlic. At saka, oyster sauce. Ayan. So, ayan yung nag-preheat na ako ng oil sa kawali. Ayan. So, I'm going to saute the onion and garlic. Ayan. So, ayan. Saute natin yan. Okay. Ayan. So, mahirap talaga guys pag isa lang yung kamay mo. Yung kabila na humahawak ng cellphone, kabila nagsusute, humahawak ng ng ladle. Ayan. So, ayan. Stir natin kaunti hanggang medyo mag-brown ng kaunti yung onion at saka garlic. Tapos nilagay ko yung isda. So, I fillet the fish. So, I took off the small bones. By the way, guys, that fish, that was our leftover last night. Then, I put the black pepper also. So, that was the leftover fish last night. It was a fried fish leftover. So, ayan. So, I just took off the small bones. Then, I fillet it. Okay, so ayan. I stir fry it already with the onion, garlic, and black pepper. So, this is the menu for the day. Ayan. Then, after that, nilagay ko na yung upo. Ayan. So, by the way guys, dalawang upo yan na maliit yung binili ko. So, binalatan ko na yan. Then, after that, I slice it into a thin pieces. Then, mix it well. Then, I put a little bit of 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir fry just a little bit. Mix. Mekos. Sabi ni Yamski, mekos daw ng kaunti. Then, after that, I put a little bit of oyster sauce. Yan yung papasarap. Oyster sauce. So, I didn't use anything, just the oyster sauce, salt, and pepper. So, that's it. Then, mix. Then, we're gonna put 2 glass of water. Ayan. So, probably 500 ml of water. Ayan. Then, mix. Then, we let it boil just a little bit until the vegetable will ayan. So, the vegetable is boiling now. Ayan. So, hintayin na natin hanggang medyo mag-soft na yung upo or medyo malambot na. Ayan. So, maya-maya luto na yan. So, tingnan natin kung masarap na. Okay. So, I really like this stir-fried vegetable. Love this one. Ayan. So, okay na siya. Ayan, luto na. Pwede nang kainin. So, luto na yung aking upo. Ayan. Oh, masarap diba? Oh, ayan, tingnan nyo guys. Look at! Ayan. So, yan yung fish na leftover na makabili ko. Thank you for watching!